down in a big way. Eastern River Valley, Johnson County, Logan County, even Franklin County a little bit earlier today. Some of us finally got some rainfall, and we're still a little bit cooler in Clarksville right now because of the showers that have been dancing around us throughout the day. But you head to Fort Smith, Poteau, Fayetteville, Bentonville. Nothing for us. We've been baking today. In fact, we were in the mid and upper 90s in Fort Smith earlier this afternoon, and now we're sitting in those mid 90s for a lot of us. Weather pattern wise, let's talk, because we need to figure out if we got some more rain chances on the way. Specifically tomorrow, we do. We have a lot of more moisture coming in, more humidity. You probably feel it outside. That's been tapped in because the high pressure is now towards Indianapolis and Dayton, and that's drawing some of this humidity right here to Arkansas and eastern Oklahoma. To the west, you're watching the system come out of the Black Hills. This front's going to approach. It probably doesn't actually swing through us, but it's going to sit over us, maybe just to our north, tomorrow and maybe even to early Wednesday morning. And because of that, we could pop up a few more storms in the vicinity. It's almost impossible to say exactly where each one will be, but we will be tracking the farther north and west you live tomorrow. Better chance of a storm. Today was all east. If you lived east of Fort Smith, you had at least a decent chance. Mount Magazine, we got some, Shoal Creek, and then Lamar, Knoxville. We're getting a little bit of light rain around the Clarksville area right now. But other than that, I think we're going to be mostly done for this evening, other than a very stray pop-up. Tomorrow, though, instead of having all the rain zones east, we've got to push them to the north and west as that front gets closer. Storms love to kind of hover next to a front, and so I think that's what's going to take place tomorrow. We'll wake up tomorrow morning, partly cloudy skies, checking the meteorologist Zach Scott. He'll have the timing of that front. It doesn't actually swing through us to cool us down, but just because it's close enough, we could get a couple pop-ups. And I think the best time to actually get a pop-up will be close to sunset, maybe even after sunset, just with the timing of this front. Here's a statewide view. I went ahead and made it a little bit larger so we can kind of see the front and how it's working at us. So tomorrow morning, a couple clouds, maybe a stray shower. But notice as this front gets closer to us in the late evening hours, it could try to spark up a few storms, especially the farther north you live. The problem is, though, it kind of sits over us for a second, and then it probably retreats back off to the north, allowing us to kind of get warm the rest of the week. Look at the rain chances. That chance really comes in tomorrow. I think now Wednesday, most of it should be done by Wednesday. Maybe another round comes in Friday. So you're going to see on and off storm chances this week with a little bit of heat and humidity in between. But look towards this weekend and next week. A front actually comes at us and swings through us. The one that's coming in tomorrow just hangs out in Joplin, doesn't care to come visit. But I think by next week, it swings through. Guys, we have 80s planned next week.
I just hope there's some rainfall with it, though.
We're hoping. Gosh, we need it. It's bad.
Yeah. We do. Swing through or swing at? I'm confused.
At this point,
swing through, it's going to hit us, right?
That's right. Hey, swing at us. Bring out as much water as possible.
Come on, Rain.
That's
whatever
right.
you want to do. Just we need you. All right. Thanks, Matt.
No problem.
Home is where the Hogs are. The Arkansas football team finally back in Fayetteville. After a dominant performance over Western Carolina to start the season, the Razorbacks now set for the home opener on Saturday against Kent State. This week and next week, well, those are the only two times the Hogs are at Razorback Stadium.